Good morning student, this is your English period and today we will study in English Literature course book our lesson 6 the 3 questions. Today I will explain you this lesson. Student, this is our English Literature course book. This is lesson 6 the 3 question in English Literature. And today I will explain you this lesson. In this lesson, a king wants to find out answer to 3 questions. Is he able to get the answer? Read on to find out. In this lesson, there are some characters just like king, guard, learned man 1, learned man 2, learned man 3, learned man 4, hermit and bearded man. The lesson starts with scene 1, the king's court. King, what's the time? What's the right time to begin everything? Who are the right people to listen to? What's the right time to begin everything? Who are the right people to listen to? What's the most important thing to do? If I know the answers to these questions, I would never fail in anything I undertake. The king walks restlessly across the floor, enters guard. In this lesson, the king asks 3 questions. That what is the right time to start everything? Second question, who are the right people to listen to? And third question, what is the most important thing to do? The king wanted to know all 3 answers of this question. The king wanted to know all 3 answers of this question because he thought if he would know all 3 answers of this question, he would never fail in anything. The king walks restlessly across the floor. At that time, guard enter. Guard, my lord, we have proclaimed throughout the kingdom that our king would give a great reward to anyone who answers his 3 questions. Some learned man who have come claim to have the answers. King, bring them in. The guard exists. Enter 4 learned men. Guard said to king, my lord, we have announced in our kingdom that who could give these 3 answers, he would be rewarded by the king. So some learned men who claimed that they would give answer of this question, king who he has come in our palace. King said, bring them in the court. The guard exists and after that 4 learned men enter in the king's court. King, so what is the answer to my first question? Learned man 1 must draw up in advance a schedule and live strictly according to it. Thus, everything could be done at its proper time. Learned man 2, 1 should always attend to all that is going on and then do what most needful. Learned man 3, a king should have a council of wise men who would help him fix the proper time for everything. Learned man 4, 1 must know beforehand what's going to happen and only magician would know that. Therefore, 1 must consult magician. King asks them what is the answer of his question. Then learned man once said, if we make a schedule in advance to do something and live very strict life according to it, then everything could be done at its proper time. Then second learned man said, we should attend to all that is going on and to do what is very needful and very important. Then learned man 3 said that king should have a council of wise men who could help him to fix the proper time for everything. Then learned man 4 said that if we know beforehand what is happening, so we could know what is the right time to begin everything, so that we should consult magician, because only magician could tell everything beforehand. King. What answer do you have for the second question? Learned man 1. The pupil the king need most are his counselors. Learned man 2. I think priests are the most important for the king. Learned man 3. The king definitely needs doctors most. Learned man 4. The most important pupil for the king are his warriors. King asked to learned man what is the answer of his second question. Then learned man 1 said, counselors are the most important people for king. Learned man 2 said, priests are the most important person for king. Learned man 3 said, the king needs doctor are the most important for him. Learned man 4 said, warriors of king are the most important for him. King visibly irritated. And what about the answer to my third question? Learned man 1. The most important thing in the world is science. Learned man 3. Skill in warfare is most important. Learned man 2. I think it is religious worship. King. No. Your answers are all different. I shall reward none. I shall consult the hermit I have heard so much about. He must be able to give me the answers. I must visit him at his hut in the wood. Pauses, then speak looking at the audience. I must wear simple clothes and leave my bodyguards behind when I meet him at his hut in the wood. I must meet him alone there. Claps. Guards, prepare. Now king got irritated from their answers. Again king said, what is the answer of his third question? Then learned man 1 said, science is the most important thing in the world. Learned man 3 said, skill in warfare is the most important thing in the world. Learned man 2 said, religious worship is the most important thing in the world. Now the king said, no. All answers are different. I will not reward anyone. The king said that he consulted the hermit to know the answer of his 3 questions. The hermit surely could give him answer. The king said he visit hermit at his hut in the wood. He said these words looking at the audience. The king said he must wear simple clothes and leave his bodyguard behind when he meet hermit at his hut in the wood. The king said he must meet hermit alone in his hut. Then everyone began clapping for king and guard prepared themselves.